What's up, guys? Welcome to NMD K's all day. If you're rocking with the U, then you know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss out on the video. And I want to talk about a commit that I'm very excited about. Joshua Horton just flipped from North Carolina, and he now will be a part of the Miami Hurricanes 2023 class. Are you surprised? I'm not surprised. Mario continues to grind on the road, and not just him recruiting players who aren't committed. He's going into Michigan's house and saying, give me your 4-star. He's going into North Carolina's house and saying, give me your best defensive lineman. This is basically Mario Cristobal.
MTV out. Savage! I'm a savage! Oh! I'm a savage! Whatever I want, I'm going to get! Whatever I want, I have to get!
Now, Horton is 6'4", 285 pounds, plays defensive lineman. He is what I like to call a havoc player. He will wreak havoc on any offense, on the offensive line, on the running backs, the quarterbacks, whoever he can get his hands on. He's just looking to wreak havoc. Elite swim move, gets to the backfield quickly, and he's going to make a great addition to any defense, especially our Miami Hurricanes. Check out his highlights. it.